Meaning of hilariously.
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 Hilariously. The term hilariously refers to something that is extremely funny or amusing. It is often used to describe a situation, event, behavior, dialogue, or person that elicits laughter and entertainment in an exaggerated way. When something is hilariously funny, it means that it is so comical and ridiculous that it can make people laugh uncontrollably and create a sense of joy and lightheartedness. Whether it is a joke, a prank, or a humorous mishap, the humor is so well received that it creates a memorable and enjoyable experience for those who witness it.